Welcome to another Detector Testers Toolbox Talk tip. This week I'm covering how to retrospectively fit the Testifire Reflectives kit. First of all, what is the Testifire Reflectives kit? The idea came from a Testifire user and enables better visibility of the detector under test by reflecting the light from the LED and making it easier to see from the ground level. You can see on the bottom of the test cup here with the reflective kit actually fitted, and here is a kit that we're actually going to fit. All new Testifiers will come with this modification. The idea of this video is to enable customers who wish to retrospectively fit the kit to their Testifiers. This will show you how to do so. Before fitting the kit, one of the things that is really important to do is to make sure the test cup is actually clean. We covered that on a previous video, so please have a look at that to make sure you know how to clean the cup out prior to applying the kit. To fit the reflective kit, first make sure Testifire is turned off and remove the inner cup. The reflective kit includes two sets of self-adhesive silver labels. One pair, which is the larger label, is the stickers that are applied to the bottom of the test cup. The other, which is the smaller silver label, is applied to the lip of the inner test cup. First apply the silver labels to the bottom of the test cup. Peel off. Carefully position and press. Try to avoid creasing it. That's one half. Remove the other half. There's a bit of overlap between the two. It's not too bad. There we go. Use your finger to press down. Next we will apply the reflective labels to the lip of the inner cup. Goes on the underside. There is a thin and a thick end. The thin end goes one end. Best to start probably with the thick end. Pushing it down, and then do the same with the second one. Okay, make sure, get rid of any air bubbles. That's fitted. Finally, we just refit the inner cup back into the Testifire cup. It's orientated to make sure the cutout goes around the duct. Push it in and we're ready to go.